Hi guys, I'm Mariana and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the HJ Weave Beauty's Curly Deep Wave hair on AliExpress. So we're going to start off with the packaging. As you can see earlier in the clip, it was shipped via FedEx. I ordered it on a Friday and it got here on a Tuesday. So it took about 4 to 5 days. Also, it came in this gorgeous little black velvet pouch, y'all. This is so cute. I'm so used to AliExpress companies sending me hair in just a plastic bag, so this is a nice little switch up. It also came with a business card that I lost in like 5 seconds, so sorry, but so cute, so nice. So the hair came in a bag like this, folded. I did not touch the hair before I started filming, so how you see it in this video is exactly how I first saw it. I did get the 28-inch and it says CW, so I'm guessing curly wig. But let's get into this cap construction, y'all. So it was a 13x6 Swiss lace frontal wig, 150% density. The cap came with 4 combs and it is definitely big head friendly. It is super big head friendly and I'm a part of that community, so I was happy. But if you have a smaller head, I would watch out for that. So now for the frontal, it did say that it came pre-plucked and with baby hairs. So as far as the plucking part goes, I definitely see how it can be seen as pre-plucked. It was very nicely plucked. I love the hairline on this wig. And the baby hairs were a challenge for me because I tried pulling them out and I saw them, but as you'll see later in the clip, it's something that you'll kind of have to just make your own. So I would be mindful of that as well. Also, the density is definitely the only option, as well as the cap size, so that's why I said be mindful of it, because all you choose is your length and where you want it shipped from. So now for the texture of this hair, it was super soft. This is one of the most soft hair I have ever purchased on AliExpress. My fingers ran straight through it and it was full all the way down. Also, this hair definitely did not shed, so I was very happy to see that when I ran my fingers through it, I wasn't getting any type of shedding, y'all. And usually hair is everywhere, but this hair was stuck like Chuck and I love it. So here's another view of the baby hairs that I was talking about. You see how they were kind of pushed back into the wig, so it was a lot harder to find than some wigs who usually already have them laid out for you. They were there, but they were very thin, so I ended up making my own. Also, I was scared that this hair was really thin when I got it, and like I said, I think my head is pretty big, so I was scared about that. But as I ran my fingers through it, as I washed the hair, this hair gets big, y'all. So, but it's a good type of big, so it's like a loose curly big. Now we'll be talking about the materials that I use in prepping this hair to go on my head. I'm gonna get into the bleach and developer a little later, but I did use the Clairol bleach. And I use the Argan oil mousse to style my hair. I'm almost out of it, so y'all know that it's good if I'm almost out of it. I did use tweezers, a comb, and a brush as well. I didn't put them in here. And of course, my spray bottle. This is how the hair looked when it was wet, and I combed it back just to show you guys the hairline once more again. And this 13x6 parting space, y'all, it is deep in here, okay? So I did begin to part the hair before I bleached the knots, which was like a no-no. And I just kept going just to do a little bit to show you guys how I do it. I want this review to focus mainly on reviewing the hair and not the process. So if you want me to do another wig and show you the actual process, I would be happy to. Just let me know down in the comments below. Kaleidocolors Blue Powder and the 30 Volume Developer by Mariana Super. I pour the powder in and I'll add my volume developer just little by little until I get the pasty consistency that I want, because you don't want it to seep through your cap and bleach your hair. So you want it to be very thick to bleach those knots, girl. The type of consistency you want. You see, it's not just falling off, it's not watery. If it's too loose, it'll just seep through your wig and your hair is gonna be blonde. And if you're going for that, then that's cute, but I'm not, so yeah. So this is how the hair looked after I finished bleaching the knots. Like I said, I didn't want to show the process because I want to focus on the hair. But it bleached very nicely, so it took very well. Also, I put the wig on my head to line it up with my actual part, so I just began to pluck and pluck and pluck away. So finally, I was done plucking the hairline to my liking, and I finished the hair by twirling it how I wanted to, just playing around with the baby hair and just the edges. And boom, there's me, y'all. That is me. So I want to show you guys something very important. First, I want to say this hair is just gorgeous, but look at the lace. Oh, you see the white spots on my hair? That is definitely the transparent lace. I know the website says medium brown, but this lace is really light. So if you get this hair and you're a darker complexion, brown skin to darker, I definitely recommend that you tint this lace or put some makeup on it. I've never experienced lace that was this light, so I didn't know, but I'm definitely gonna fix it. I just wanted to show you guys so you can be aware of that, because I definitely was not. If you made it this far, thank you for watching this video. I love this hair. I would recommend it to anybody. I would definitely buy it again, and I don't buy Aliexpress hair from the same company over again, so that's a huge compliment coming from me. Once again, I am not a professional at hair. I've literally just been doing what you're doing right now, watching YouTube videos on how to do this, so I have not been taught any of this. I'll try to come back with a 1-month update just to see how well it holds up, and if the softness is just like a phase. But honestly, I love this hair. It's amazing. The only thing that I would really just be mindful of next time I do get this hair would be the lace. And it's only because I don't know what type of lace I bought, but this lace is not like dark complexion friendly. So next time I would definitely tint the lace before I use it on my head, because it's really light, as y'all can see in some of the clips. I'm gonna fix that though, so yeah. I will be covering it up later, but I just wanted y'all to see that's literally how it looks when you don't tint your lace. So if you get it, don't be surprised. You gotta darken it up a little bit, okay? Okay. If you made it this far, comment below and just let me know any other videos that you would like me to do, any other hair companies that you think I should check out. So I'm just gonna continue to play around with it. I'll also be doing a video on different styles that you can do with this hair, because it's just so versatile. Is that the word? Is that the word? I don't know. But it's really a fun hair to play around with. And so I'll show you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for it. But that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.